Y'all, I've partnered with Old World Quality Foods to make my favorite tailgate sliders. After you cut your dinner rolls in half, you want to spread some mayo on the bottom of your dinner rolls. Next, you'll add a pound of deli meat. I think shredded turkey works the best. Then one of my favorite things Old World has is their marinated peppers. Y'all, they pair perfect with this recipe, but they're great on salads and other dishes. Once you get them sliced up, you want to sprinkle that over your deli meat. Then you want to get 6 slices of Gruyere cheese and divide that over your 12 sliders. Then you want to sprinkle a little Parmesan cheese on top. Then you add the top of your dinner rolls on top of your sandwiches. Then in a pan, you add 1 stick of butter, some garlic powder, some Worcestershire sauce. Then grab a little brown sugar and then some minced onion. You'll give that a stir. Once it melts like so, then you want to slowly pour that over your dinner rolls. After that, you want to cover them up and pop them in the refrigerator for at least an hour overnight. But when you're ready to cook them, put them in a 350 oven for 25 minutes. Y'all, look how delicious these look. Your family and friends are going to go crazy over these like ours. The full recipes in the caption below, and don't check out that 15% discount I've got in the caption below as well. Y'all, come have a taste.
That's so good.